I usually store my used beauty blenders inside the UZZA cleaner to shield them from dirt and air contaminants until it's time for a wash. The Blender Cleaner provides an extra layer of protection against tears and deterioration of the sponge fabric. To clean the makeup blender, I'm adding 3 cups of water, 4 tablespoons of facial liquid soap, two teaspoons of olive oil, and a few drops of lemongrass essential oil. Skip the essential oil if your skin is sensitive. Insert the blender into the cleaner, dip it in the mix, and give it a good squeeze until all the makeup disappears. The water should change color as dirt and makeup are released from the blender. The cleaner acts as a shield, preventing damage, especially if you have long nails. Now, rinse it with clean water. Take it out, and you'll see the blender is clean and free from makeup residues. Spray some rubbing alcohol. Hang it to dry or place it on a clean towel in a dry environment until the next use. Avoid leaving it in the bathroom. Makeup blenders, often used around the delicate eye area, deserve the same level of care. They come into direct contact with your skin, absorbing oils, makeup, and even invisible enemies like dust and bacteria. So make sure to clean your makeup blenders and brushes regularly.